In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at first just open the settings, then find and select camera, and here you can smoothly change the video resolution right here. So click on record video and pick the option that you would like to apply. You can smoothly switch between them and then record in the video mode that you picked. And also you can change the resolution for slow motion right here. And this is it, so you can change it and then you can smoothly and easily record in this new video mode. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.